Speculation and deduction. We use will to speculate with certainty about the future. We add have plus past participle to speculate about past actions with an effect on the present. We use going to for strong predictions based on present evidence. We often use adverbs with will and going to modify the degree of certainty. Paper books probably won't disappear altogether. I'm sure she will have arrived by now. Let's go and see. It's a terrible film. It's hardly going to win an Oscar. Certain deductions must have got to. We use must and have got to say something is logically true in the present and future. We use must plus have plus past participle to deduce about the past. Lisa is all dressed up. She must be going somewhere nice. John didn't hear the phone. He must have been sleeping. I don't believe it. You've got to be joking. Likely, should, may well. We use should about the past, present and future to say that something is probable because it is normal and expected. May well is slightly more certain than should. It's 6 p.m. so they should have arrived by now. Solar power may well be the answer to our energy problems. Possible and unlikely, could, might, may, can. We use could, may, not, and might not, both to speculate and deduce in the past, present and future. Jill is late. She could have got lost. She may be wandering around out there. We also use could plus it plus past participle to say what was hypothetically possible in the past. I didn't know you were in town. We could have met up. We use can to say that something is generally possible in the present/future. You can get bears in the woods at this time of the year. Impossible, can't, couldn't. Couldn't plus infinitive says what was generally impossible in the past. We also use can't/couldn't plus have plus past participle, or can't plus be to say something is logically impossible. They couldn't get here yesterday. They can't get here today or tomorrow. Logically impossible. We couldn't have passed the exam without Peter's help. I should have invited her. Don't worry, she couldn't have come anyway.